fun one. This tune's for you, playa. Good. Welcome back to the Metal Finisher. Today we are going to do a quick review and test, of the Vapor Honing Technologies VHT 1000. Alright? Take a look at these parts. We need to not only blast clean each of these, we need you to wash any oils that may be present. So let's get these into the VHT 1000. Now while you watch, allow me to tell a few applications where this unit stands out, okay? Automotive restoration and remanufacturing, motorcycle restoration, CNC machined parts, cutting tools, diesel engine rebuilds, and much, much more. Now let's take a look at some before and after pictures of these parts, okay? Oh, alright, yeah, that's pretty impressive, huh? Yeah, thanks again for joining us at the Metal Finisher. Please subscribe to our channel for future process reviews.